Hi, I am avocado, the best fruit to lower cholesterol. Hi, I am okra, the best vegetable to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am green tea, the best tea to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am garlic, the best spice to lower cholesterol. Hi, I am walnut, the best nut to lower cholesterol. Hi, I am turmeric, the best spice to lower cholesterol. Hi, I am ginger, the best root to lower cholesterol. Hi, I am flaxseed, the best seed to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am oat, the best grain to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am olive oil, the best oil to lower cholesterol.